Hey guys, it's Sarai134. I have my son's newborn photo shoot today. He is 2 weeks, so he's going to be doing his photo shoot at 2 weeks. My daughter did hers at 1 week old. I'm gonna show you the outfits that my daughter is wearing, and I'll show you what I'm wearing. And then we will take you to the photo shoot, and I will try to film as much as I can, but I'm obviously not going to be able to film me getting pictures with him, but I can film my daughter and just him, so yeah. So this is what I'm wearing to the photo shoot, just this neutral tone sweater and just these black leggings. I tried to redecorate my, my mirror. I don't know if I should put flowers underneath it like that too, but I tried to redecorate my mirror to make it look more fancy. Anyways, that's really not irrelevant, but this is my outfit and I'll show you Everly's. So Everly is gonna wear 2 outfits. I think she might do 2 outfits with 2 different color wraps that he's wearing. So I just got this blue heart one, and it's a long sleeve dress. And then the other one I have for her is just this green. It has like ruffles on the sleeves, and I got this one from Amazon, and I got this one from Carter's. But this one is just a green dress, and it has a little wrap at the back, it has a little tie at the back, so there's that. Here's Clay sleeping before his photo shoot. I want to wake him up soon because I don't want him to be up the whole time for his photo shoot. I want him to be tired, and he's had quite a nap, so I'm gonna wake him up, but he's hard to wake up. Clay! Clay, wake up, honey. Wake up. We're gonna wake him up and feed him. I don't know if he needs to change. His diaper seems kind of dry, so wake up, honey. So I'll see you guys at the photo shoot. Say hi, Everly. Hi. Yeah. Look at Clay. Aww.
I want to give him the kiss on the floor.
Yes, you will be able to get. Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Oh, be careful, Evie. Don't run around. Be careful, Evie.
Yeah, we don't want to end up hitting your brother, okay?
Oh, you might be falling asleep there. I don't know. That little hand sticking out, so cute.
Right? Sometimes I put them back in. He like wanted it up
He
there,
wanted
so
it
I
out,
left
yeah.
it.
It's cute.
But sometimes I'll put them away.
Yeah. Does he look cute, Evie?
He's a handsome man, isn't he?
He's been a pretty easygoing baby so far, though,
Yeah.
honestly.
You're gonna hold him tight, okay? Got him? Good job. And then this hand is gonna reach over, and you're gonna just put your hand right here on him. Perfect. Stay just like that, okay? Oh my gosh.
It's cute. Oh, you look
Just
so
like
happy.
that. Good job. He's smiling.
Oh, perfect.
Oh my gosh. Can you smile down at your brother? Perfect. Now can you give him a kiss on his head and just hold it? Good job. Smile back at me and rest your cheek on his head. Can you reach down and just look at me? Good job. Smile, smile. Aww.
He's smiling again.
Right?
Aww.
That's perfection. Smile, smile. Good job. Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
That's
You stay right there
cute.
for 1 second, okay? Oh my goodness. Look at this picture.
Oh my god, that's so cute. I love that.
Stay right there, okay? I'll show you too.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, absolutely. I'm just turning the heat back on for him just in case. It turns off after a while.
Feel it.
Is it still warm?
Let me feel. I think it's still.
Is it?
Right?
I'm videoing you. You're good at that, Abby. Like a diamond in the sky, twinkle, twinkle. Good big sissy, huh? You're a good big sissy, Abby. It's okay. So Big Sissy is holding her little brother. We just got done the photo shoot. About half an hour ago we came home. Got McDonald's because Everly was such a good girl at the photo shoot. She was listening so well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's just little bits and pieces of the photo shoot. So be gentle with him, Evie. So have a great day. Bye, guys.